Hey there folks, it's Kira. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this green alcohol ink piece on a sealed canvas. So I've just started out here with some inks that I've made myself out of some markers and alcohol. I feel super fortunate to have made them a couple months back before kind of the world shut down and alcohol became impossible to find. So I'm just blowing them around here with a hairdryer and making sure I just blend the colors together really well and to just spread the color over most of the canvas. I'm going to add some alcohol in some areas to help with that blending, and not a lot to it. You just keep blending. I'm going to add a little more of the teal colored here and some Pinata ink in teal just for a little bit more of a pop of color. And the airbrush here is going to allow me to do a lot of precision work rather than kind of broad general strokes that the hairdryer lets me do. So here I'm just going to blend the edges with that teal. So yeah, I just want like a general canvas of green here with relatively smooth edges. I'm not looking for it to be perfectly wispy. That's not really the point of this piece in particular. And because the sealed board is sealed, the alcohol isn't seeping into the canvas and not staining the canvas. So I do have a lot of opportunity to actually move around the color. And then we just have to let it dry because there is a lot of ink and alcohol there. Oh look, many hours later, like magic. We're gonna throw some alcohol in a spray bottle and move it around with some Pinata Brass. I wish that video and picture really showed how shiny the brass is. I feel like it kind of gets dulled out on video and picture unless you catch it in the light really perfectly. It's shiny. I quite like it. I'm thinking of at some point trying some like actual gold leafing, but not today. So I'm gonna just throw in some yellow ink there as well. I'm gonna blow it around a little bit and just kind of let it bloom, and that ink is going to push away and mix with the green ink that's already laid down there. I'm going to throw in a little more of that brass because he doesn't look shiny. Throwing a little more alcohol in there to bloom in sections. And yeah, like we're almost done. Not quite there yet. A little more teal to bloom in. And that's kind of it. Like that's the finished piece. Thank you so much for watching. I love it. I'm gonna lift it in a moment so you can see how shiny it is. Hit that like button and subscribe for more art videos, and we'll see you later.